Welcome back to ADC Mentor. Today, we are delving into the art of creating beautiful window light effects in your photos. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more photography insights. Press Ctrl+N for new page. Click on this icon and select Rectangular tool. Click and drag and make the rectangular shape. Go back to Selection tool and hold Alt plus drag and press right button for make it duplicate. Click and drag for select the all shapes. Select all shapes to following same process and Ctrl+E for join all layers. Press Ctrl+T for transform the layer and select perspective and adjust to following this process. Go to Filter on menu bar and click on Blur, then select Gaussian Blur. Go to Menu option and select Define Brush Preset. Give the brush name. After that, click on OK button. Go to main page and adjust the brush to following this process. Click here and select Soft Light. Background color must be white, so select white color first. Then, left-click for dropping the effect. Adjust the effect according you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow creators, and comment below with your window light experiences. Subscribe for more tips and tricks, and until next time, keep capturing magic.